Build anything with Gemini Whisk plus anti-gravity. Here's how. You're spending days on tasks that should take hours, struggling with design tools you don't understand, writing code line by line when AI could handle it, missing deadlines because the process is too slow. There's a better way. Hey, it's Ava. I'm an AI educator, and today I'm breaking down two tools from Google that just changed the game for anyone building apps or interfaces. Whisk and AntiGravity, both launched in the last few months, and most people have no idea what they actually do or how powerful they are. Let's fix that. I'm going to show you what each tool does, how to use them, and what you can actually build with them. First up, Whisk. Google Labs dropped Whisk in December 2024. It's completely different from other AI image tools. Here's why. Most image generators need text prompts. You type a description. The AI tries to understand. Sometimes it works, sometimes you get garbage. Whisk changes that completely. You use images as prompts, not text, images. You upload 3 images, subject, scene, style. Whisk analyzes all 3, combines them, generates something new. Instead of typing descriptions, you just show examples. Drag and drop. Done. Under the hood, Whisk uses Gemini to automatically write detailed captions of your images. Then it feeds those captions to Imagen 3, which generates the final image. You're not writing the captions, Gemini does that, you just provide the visual references. Right now, Whisk is free, available at labs.google/whisk if you're in the US, plus over 100 countries including Canada, Australia, Japan, Brazil, and Mexico. Built for rapid visual exploration, brainstorming, generating concepts fast. People use it for stickers, enamel pins, plushies, and digital art. Simple interface. 3 boxes for your images. Add text prompts for more control. Edit auto-generated descriptions. Regenerate, try combinations, download results. Now, AntiGravity. Google launched AntiGravity on November 18th, 2025. Same day they announced Gemini 3. This is their agent-first development platform. You give it a task. AI agents plan it, code it, test it, verify it, all autonomously. Free in public preview. Windows, Mac, Linux. 8 gigabytes RAM minimum, 16 recommended. AntiGravity is built on a fork of VS Code, so if you've used Visual Studio Code, the interface feels familiar. But Google added an entire agent layer on top. 2 main views. Editor view for when you want hands-on control. Write code yourself. Edit files. Normal IDE stuff. Then there's Manager view. This is your mission control, where you spawn AI agents. Each agent can work on a different task simultaneously. You're not limited to one thing at a time. You can have multiple agents running, one building a feature, another writing tests, another fixing bugs, all at the same time. The agents access 3 surfaces: code editor, terminal, browser. They write code across files, run commands, install packages, open your app in Chrome, test functionality, take screenshots, record everything automatically. AntiGravity uses Gemini 3 Pro by default. That's optimized for code reasoning, understanding large contexts, and multi-step planning. You also have the option to use Claude Sonnet 4.5 or an open-source variant of GPT models. Here's how it works in practice. 2 modes. Planning mode for complex tasks. Agent creates detailed plans first. You review, approve, or give feedback. Then it executes. Fast mode for quick tasks. Agent just does it immediately. When you give the agent a task, it creates artifacts. Task lists, implementation plans, screenshots, browser recordings, walkthroughs. This makes verification easy without reading raw logs. You can comment on artifacts like a Google Doc. The agent reads feedback, incorporates it, keeps working. The browser integration is powerful. Opens Chrome, loads your app, clicks buttons, fills forms, navigates pages, tests everything works, captures screenshots and recordings as proof. One documented use case from a developer. They needed to refactor a JavaScript utility library, update it to modern syntax, add type definitions. They gave AntiGravity the high-level task. The agent read through the existing code, understood the patterns, made changes across multiple files, updated the related tests. The developer reviewed and approved, gave feedback on specific parts. The agent adjusted. What would have taken a week of manual work was done in a couple days, with most time spent on review rather than coding. AntiGravity excels at building web apps, setting up projects, implementing UI components, writing tests, refactoring code, creating documentation. Any task where you describe what you want and the agent handles implementation. It's not perfect for everything. Complex business logic that requires deep domain knowledge still needs human input. Security-sensitive code should be reviewed carefully, but for a lot of standard development work, it handles it well. When I first started exploring these AI development tools, I was overwhelmed. That's when I found this community called AI Profit Boardroom, with over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. Now let me talk about what you can actually build with these tools. With Whisk, UI mockups, visual designs, marketing graphics, sticker designs, character art. Teachers use it for educational materials, designers for rapid prototyping, content creators for assets. With AntiGravity, web apps, landing pages, dashboards, internal tools, API integrations, the Gemini 3 model scored 76.2% on SWE Bench Verified. That measures coding agents on real-world software engineering tasks. Some practical tips. For Whisk, be intentional with your 3 images. Subject shows the main element. Scene demonstrates layout. Style captures aesthetic. Generate multiple variations. Pick the best. Download everything. Whisk doesn't auto-save to your account. For AntiGravity, use planning mode for anything important. Review implementation plans before approving. Be specific with feedback. Say increase padding to 16 pixels, not make it better. Set up terminal permissions appropriately. Back up your work. It's experimental software. Keep prompts focused. 1 task per conversation works better than 10 at once. Both tools are experimental. That means they're actively being developed. Features change. Things break sometimes. But that also means you're getting access to cutting-edge AI capabilities for free while they're in development. The bigger picture, these tools shift how we work, not replacing skills, augmenting them. Whisk lets you explore visual ideas faster. AntiGravity lets you operate at a higher level, describing goals rather than typing every line. Some worry this makes skills obsolete. It doesn't. It shifts where you spend time. Less on repetitive tasks, more on creative problem solving, understanding user needs, strategic decisions. But you need new skills. Effective prompting, reviewing AI output, knowing when to use these tools and when not to. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences, what's working, what's not, which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip, no hype. Just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 46,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Here's the takeaway. Both tools are free, both experimental, both worth trying. Whisk for visual creation, AntiGravity for development. Start small. Pick one. Try a simple project, learn the interface, understand limitations, then go bigger. These won't build your business, but they remove bottlenecks, speed up processes, let you test ideas faster. That's the value. Go try them. Whisk at labs.google/whisk. AntiGravity at antigravity.google. Both free, both powerful, both available now. Thanks for watching. I'm Ava. Keep building, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.